In this video, I will be showing you how to create a simple to-do list application using React with Typescript. Typescript is a superset of JavaScript which provides static typing, classes, and interfaces. These features are present in programming languages such as Java and C#. It provides the IDE or Integrated Development Environment a way to spot common errors you are still typing in your code. Your normal JavaScript code will still run, so you don't need to understand all the TypeScript languages in one go. To set up the application, we need to run the command npx create React app and then the name of the application that we want. So in this case, React Todo Typescript, and then we add the -- TypeScript in order to add the TypeScript functionalities to the current application. It may take a couple of seconds to install the required dependencies. After installation, you will be seeing a lot of boilerplate code. We will be trying to remove this one in order for us to set up the base components. For the app component, we will be removing the boilerplate code and replacing it with a simple hello world text. We will also be removing the contents of the App.tsx since we don't need it. We are also removing the App.test.tsx file as this is used for testing automation, and we will not use it for this video for now. I will create a video regarding React automated testing in the future. For now, we will leave what is inside the index.css file. We'll leave index.tsx default as well. We will remove the logo as this asset is not being used. We successfully removed the boilerplate codes. We can now set up the base components for the application. We will now be creating the components of the to-do list application. It will be put inside the components directory. So the components will be the following: header.tsx for the header component, to-do input, which is in charge for the field of the to-do list application, the to-do list, which contains all of the items that are in progress, and finally the done list, which contains the items that are crossed off. For now, we will be adding the base code needed in order for us to see the components inside the browser when we try to run the npm start command. Next, we will import the 4 components into the base app component. Finally, we can see the components in action by running the npm start command. That's it for this video. In the next one, we will complete the functionalities of the 4 components.